Okay, seriously, Seven's lost his effing mind. Sadie's in the kennel. The only time he comes away from there is to go around the stove and go to the back. Or to chase my little Jazzy around. Huh. Come here, I'll protect you. Seven, come here. Sevy. Sevy! You nasty, sick, you know whatter. I'm trying not to say that word no more. Seven, come here. Sevy! Who's that? Who is it, Sevy? Come get the door. You won't even go for the door? Can you see him back there? Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh my God. Sevy! Sevy! Will you at least look at me? I'm really shaky. Seven! You want a treat? Come here. Watch, this dog won't even come for a treat. Sevy! You want a treat? Come on. These guys want treats. Let's go get the treats. Come on. Sevy, you want to go get treats? Okay. Just for money and spirit then. Come on. Let's get treats. Let's get treats. Stop scratching my leg with your nails. I gotta put our pants back on. You guys are tearing me up. Look, treat for Spirit. That's a good boy. Here you go, Money. Sevy. Sevy, look. Just come and get it. Sevy. Treat. Oh, Sadie got hers. Sevy. 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 Look. Treat. Here. All you gotta do is come and get it. Oh my God. Here, Maxie. You want Sevy's treat? Sevy lost his motherfucking mind. Yes, he did. Sevy. Okay, fine. We'll just pick the camera back up when you try to hump Spirit next time so everybody sees you for the deviant that you really are.